Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact SSID and encryption standard on your router so the QR will connect reliably. Next, use a trusted offline QR generator or a reputable app. This reduces leak risk. Once you input SSID and password, generate the QR and immediately save an encrypted backup file or export to a secure USB. Make sure to label the file with date and device so you can trace which QR matches which network later. You now harden access by placing the QR only in secured containers, an encrypted drive, a password manager attachment, or a locked physical spot. When printing, laminate and keep a single physical copy to reduce copying risk. Once shared digitally, set a clear expiration policy and plan to rotate the Wi-Fi password after a defined period or after guests leave. Doing this limits long-term exposure and gives you control over who can reconnect to the network. You share the QR using an encrypted message or transfer it directly between devices to avoid public links. Once access should end, immediately change the router password and regenerate a new QR so old copies stop working. If someone cannot connect, check that the device scanned the QR correctly, that the SSID and encryption type in the QR match the router, and that the scanning app has permission to add networks. If issues persist, reboot the router and reissue a fresh QR.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.